Do you ever buy a product for one use and then realize that it's one of the most versatile things in your kitchen? That has been my experience with this Lodge Griddle. This thing is incredible, and I'm going to tell you all the ways that I use it. But let's just talk about it real fast first. So we've had this for at least 5 years. It is hefty, and you can see that it's been used and abused. I'm sure some cast iron fanatics are not thrilled with the way I've cared for it, but it is well seasoned and it works fantastic. And for cleaning it, all I do is use this steel wringer to scrub it down with just water. Sometimes I will use soap on it and season it, but really it's quite easy to just scrub it down, dry it off. It's good to go. We've never had any issues with it. I love the handles because I'll often have to pull it back and forth while it's very hot. Obviously this side is the flat side and this side is the griddle side. Now, what do I use this for? Oh my gosh, when I first got it, I thought I would only use it for things like pancakes and tortillas because this one side is wonderfully flat and huge and great for cooking things like that on my stovetop. I put it over 2 burners and it's so thick that it gives me a very even cook. But over time, I found that it became my indoor grill. When I couldn't have a barbecue and I was in a small apartment, this became my barbecue. And yes, need to open some windows when you do that and have a good fan going. But if you want to cook steak, if you want to get that fine char, if you have hamburgers, flip it over, cook it on this side, you will get that grill experience. And then finally, I found that taking this camping is huge. I would take it and I'd actually put it on my barbecue for things like pancakes and eggs and anything where I wanted a large flat surface to cook. Obviously not this side, the other side. But when I wasn't barbecuing on the griddle, I would use this as my flat surface while camping. We have taken this everywhere with us. I don't see it going anywhere. This is a lifetime purchase and it is worth it. If you're on the fence, buy this Lodge Griddle. You won't be disappointed.